children. How are you? Are you fine? Very good. All of you open your EVS course book. All of you open your EVS course book. Open your EVS course book, page number 41. Page number 41. Amma, in the previous class, yesterday, I explained about the reversible changes. Here, Nana, if you take a balloon, take a deflated balloon. Take a deflated balloon and blow the air into the balloon. Blow the air into that balloon. What would happen? It may blow bigger and bigger. If you take an deflated balloon, if you blow air into that balloon, it was blown bigger and bigger. Blown up bigger and bigger. If you leave the air out, it will come into the same form. It will come back into the same form. Means if you change anything into another form, if it come back into the same form, they are the reversible changes. They are called as reversible changes. Example, balloon. Okay, and also rubber. Take a rubber and you must stretch it. You must stretch that rubber. If you stretch that rubber, it may stretch. If you leave out, again it will come into the same form. రబ్బర్ ఏమవుతుందిరా స్ట్రెచ్ చేసామనుకో చాలా లాగుతుంది, మళ్ళీ వదిలేసామనుకో మళ్ళీ సేమ్ ఫామ్ అది ఎంత ఉందో అంత సేమ్ ఫామ్కి వచ్చేస్తుంది. That is the reversible change. That is called as reversible change. Understand me? A thing which will come back into the same form. A thing which will come back into the same form, first form. It is the reversible change. Okay? And also wire, iron wire also. We can make different shapes with the iron wire. After that, again we can take it to the same form. A thing which will come to the same form is the reversible change. Okay? Next. Now these are the examples to the reversible change. Ask your mother if she can get milk back from the curd. Can a flower be changed into a bud again? Is it possible to change cooked rice back into raw rice? Can you become a baby again? These changes are permanent, cannot be reversed. They are called irreversible changes. Amma, these are the reversible changes. And now I am explaining about the irreversible permanent changes. Example, can you, here Nana, milk is turned into curd. Milk turned into curd. And cooked rice, raw rice turned into cooked rice. If we boiled the rice, it turned into cooked rice or cooked food. Okay, and baby, you're a boy. Baby turned into a boy. Baby turned into a boy. Here, milk turned into curd. Milk changed into curd. Raw rice changed into cooked food. Cooked rice. Raw rice changed into cooked rice. Raw rice also changed into cooked rice. And baby changed into a boy or a girl. Baby changed into a boy or a girl. Amma, these are changed now. Now, can you get back if you do the reverse? Amma, when the melted ice cream melt ayindira due to the heat, ice is melted. ఆ మెల్టెడ్ దాన్ని తీసుకెళ్తే అంటే లిక్విడ్ని తీసుకెళ్ళి మనము ఫ్రిడ్జ్లో పెట్టామనుకో మళ్ళీ మనకి ఏ ఫామ్ వస్తుంది? వి మే గెట్ ద ఐస్ క్రీమ్ ఫామ్. ఓకే, లిక్విడ్ని తీసుకెళ్ళి మళ్ళీ మనము ఫ్రిడ్జ్లో పెట్టామనుకో మళ్ళీ మనకి ఐస్ క్రీమ్ వస్తుంది. లైక్ దట్ కెన్ వి గెట్ ద మిల్క్ ఫ్రమ్ ద కర్డ్? Milk is turned into curd. Milk is turned into curd. Can we get the milk from the curd? Can the curd change into milk? Can the curd change into milk? Malli milk form vastunda? Can the cooked rice come to the raw rice form? Can it change? Can the cooked rice, కుక్ చేసిన రైస్ని కూల్ చేసామనుకో మళ్ళీ రా రైస్ మనకు వస్తుందా? ఐ కుక్డ్ ద రా రైస్, ఐ బాయిల్డ్ ద రా రైస్. రా రైస్ని బాయిల్ చేసామనుకో మనకు కుక్డ్ రైస్ వచ్చింది. ఇఫ్ యూ కూల్ దట్ కెన్ వి గెట్ ద రా రైస్? నో. నౌ యూ టర్న్ ఇట్ యాజ్ ఎ బేబీ. సో యూ టర్న్, నౌ యూ చేంజ్ ఇట్ యాజ్ ఎ బాయ్. కెన్ యూ గో టు ద బేబీ ఫామ్? కెన్ యూ గో టు ద బేబీ ఫామ్? Is it possible? No, these are not possibles. These are the permanent changes. These are the permanent or irregular changes. Sorry, irreversible changes. Understand me? These are the irreversible or permanent changes. It is permanent. We won't get to the same form. The boy will not come to the baby form. It is not possible. He can't come. He can't change as a baby. It is a permanent change. These are the permanent changes. Cooked rice can't come to the raw rice form. It is not possible because these are the permanent changes or irreversible changes. Reverse cheyalem vatni. These are the irreversible or permanent changes. This is a permanent change. This is not temporary change. It is the permanent change. Understand me? Here, deflated balloon, inflated balloon comes to the deflated balloon form is the temporary change. A temporary change in the malli then form lo kadi raagaledu. That is a temporary change. These are the permanent changes. Next, what do you observe in these pictures? Are both the changes same? Does the substance remain the same before and after changes? The changes are different. The substance would change it into another form, ash, when it won't but remains in its natural form when we cut. Two pictures are given here. Here, the two pictures are given. Both are the same changes. Both are the same changes. Here in the first picture, he is cutting wood. Cutting of wood. Cutting of wood and burning of wood is the same changes? No, both are not the same changes. Here, cutting the wood. When we cut the wood may turn into another form, another physical form. Means we may make doors, windows, or furniture with the wood. Here, in this form, the physical body is changing. The physical feature is changing. Understand me? In a cutting of wood, if we cut the wood, it will turn it into another form. Now, totally not another. It will turn it into different shapes and sizes, like doors, windows. Wood is in the wood form only. Wood is in the same form. Wood form lo untundi. But physical feature means size and shape is different. We may give a different shape to the wood. And doors, windows change chestunnam. Or furniture. This is the physical change. It is the physical change because physically it is changing. Wood is turning into the wood is making. It is making into different shapes and sizes. Wood is in wood form only. Wood form lo undi kani daniki different shapes sizes ichamu. This is the physical change. It is the physical change. Burning, cutting of wood. If we cut the wood, that wood we may make doors, windows, and also different types of furniture we may make. That is the physical change. If you burn the burning of wood, now burning of wood. Burning of wood. If you burn the wood, totally wood is burned. Burning of wood ni manu burn chesamanko totally wood is unseen. Wood manaku kanabadadu. We may see the ash only. Ash to burdha. మనకి ఏం కనబడుతుంది? వుడ్ బాగా వేడి చేసామనుకో యాష్ కనబడుతుంది. We may see the ash. We did not see the wood form. Here, if you see the benches, doors and windows, that is wood form only. అక్కడ మనకు wood form కనబడుతుంది. Here, it is totally changed. Totally wood is changed into the ash form. It is the chemical change or irreversible change or temporary change, or permanent change. This is called as chemical change or permanent change or irreversible change. Understand me? If you burn the wood, it comes to the ash form. Totally wood is burnt. Wood mottam burnt అయిపోతుంది. You can't get the wood form. That is the chemical change. Burning of wood is the chemical change and cutting of wood is the physical change. Chemical changes are always permanent. Chemical changes, these are the chemical changes. These are the permanent change. Chemical changes are the permanent change. We can't make them to come to the first form. These are the permanent changes. It is not possible to a boy to come to the baby form. Is it possible? No, it can't. It is a permanent change. Like that, can we get the wood from the ash? Can we get? No, it's not possible. So that is the chemical change. Chemical changes are permanent change, mostly irreversible, and new substances will be formed. Rusting of iron, photosynthesis, ripening of fruits, making curd and ice cream, cooking food, spoilage of food, digestion of food are some of the chemical changes. These are the examples for the chemical changes. Okay? Ripening of fruits. Ripened fruit, again it may come to the raw fruit. Unripe fruit? No, it's not possible. It is not possible. Spoiling of food. పాడైపోయిన ఫుడ్ ఉందిరా దాన్ని మళ్ళీ ఫ్రెష్ ఫుడ్గా మనం చేయగలమా? ఇట్ ఈస్ స్పాయిల్డ్. ద ఫుడ్ ఈస్ స్పాయిల్డ్. ద ఫుడ్ ఈస్ స్పాయిల్డ్. స్పాయిల్ అయిపోయిన ఫుడ్ మళ్ళీ ఫ్రెష్ ఫుడ్గా ఫ్రెష్ ఫుడ్ ఫామ్లోకి వస్తుందా? నో, ఇట్ ఈస్ అ పర్మనెంట్ చేంజ్. అండర్స్టాండ్? నెక్స్ట్, breaking glass, bending of iron bars and melting of ice and wax are some of the physical changes. Breaking of glass, if you break the glass sheet of glass ni cut chesam anukora, it may turn into different forms. A glass ni cut chesi మనం ఏమైనా చేయొచ్చు. We can make the glass, drinking glass, and we can make the mirror, or we can make any different items, photo frames. If we break the glass sheet, we can make it into different shapes. That is the physical change. And also iron bars also. By bending iron bars, we can make into different forms. Iron లాగానే ఉంటుంది, అది ఇంకో ఫామ్లో చేంజ్ అవ్వదు. బట్ ఫిజికల్లీ ఇట్ ఈస్ చేంజింగ్. ఫిజికల్గా డిఫరెంట్ షేప్లో మారుతుంది. ఓకే, నెక్స్ట్ మెల్టింగ్ ఆఫ్ ఐస్. ఐస్ క్రీమ్ కూడా అంతే. ఐస్ క్రీమ్ మెల్ట్ అయిపోయింది ఇంకా మళ్ళీ ఆ లిక్విడ్ తీసుకుని మనము ఫ్రిడ్జ్లో పెట్టామంటే మళ్ళీ మనకు ఐస్ క్రీమ్ మేక్ అవుతుంది. వి మేక్ ఇట్ ద ఐస్ క్రీమ్ ఫామ్. దీస్ ఆర్ ద ఫిజికల్ చేంజెస్, రివర్సిబుల్ చేంజెస్. Okay, who is responsible for this? Describe in your own words what is happening in these pictures. What are the effects of some of the man-made changes on environment? Many scientists are of the opinion that over exploitation of nature resource by various human activities cause pollution. This leads to changes in climate and affects many living and non-living things. Many places that were warmed are now getting colder, and some regions like Antarctica are getting warmer. This is due to global warming. A change in the global average surface temperature. This may lead to submerging of many countries in the ocean. We are cutting trees, we are cutting plants, we are cutting trees. Some of the actions, some of the direct actions or indirect actions of the humans may cause the global warming. Using of plastic, cutting of trees due to overpopulation, using of motorbikes, and increase of factories. These are all things lead to the global warming. Who is the reason for this? Who is the reason? Humans are the reason. We are only cutting the trees. We are only increasing the factories. And we are using a lot of plastic things. And also overpopulation also is in our hands. Due to that reason, we are using. Due to those reasons, our earth becoming overheated. Earth becomes heating. Earth increasing its heat. Due to that reasons, global warming may increase. Global warming అంటే మన ఎర్త్ బాగా వేడెక్కుతుంది. Earth is overheating. Earth is overheating. Due to what are the reasons for that? Cutting trees, using plastic, using lot of vehicles. Due to that reasons, our earth is overheating. ఎక్కువ వేడెక్కుతుంది. How do you know? I explained you already. Ma, if you cut the trees, నేను చేస్తున్నాను చెట్లను కట్ చేస్తున్నా. Trees needed carbon dioxide. Trees make their own food with the help of water in the soil and carbon dioxide in the air. With the help of water and carbon dioxide in the presence of sunlight. Sunlight in the presence of sunlight, they may make their own food. The trees make their own food with the help of sunlight, water and seawater and carbon dioxide. Okay, it may make their own food, and in this process, while they were making their own food, in this process they may release oxygen to us. Understand me? While the trees are making their own food, while the trees are making their own food with the help of sunlight, water and carbon dioxide, they may release the oxygen out. Oxygen ni release chestam. And also they may release the water vapor. They may release the water vapor into the atmosphere. They may release the water vapor into the atmosphere. Atmosphere lo water vapor ni kuda release chestundi. What do the water vapor do? The water vapor cooled the atmosphere. సన్ రేస్ ఉన్నాయి కదా, సన్ రేస్ ఏం చేస్తాయి? సన్ రేస్ మన అట్మాస్ఫియర్ని, వెదర్ని చాలా వేడెక్కిస్తాయి. ఇట్ మే హీట్ ద అట్మాస్ఫియర్, ఇట్ మే హీట్ ద ఎయిర్, ఇట్ మే హీట్ అవర్ ఎర్త్. ఎర్త్ని బాగా వేడెక్కిస్తుంది. ఓకే, ఇట్ మే హీట్. దెన్ వాట్ డు ద వాటర్ వేపర్ డు? వాటర్ వేపర్. వాట్ డు వాటర్ వేపర్ డు? What is there? Water vapor released into the atmosphere and it cooled the weather, cooled the atmosphere, it cooled the earth. Earth throw the leaves. Sorry, the trees throw the leaves. The leaves నుండి వాటర్ వేపర్ ని రిలీజ్ చేస్తుంది అట్మాస్ఫియర్. వాటర్ వేపర్ ఏం చేస్తుంది? ఇక్కడున్న హాట్ అట్మాస్ఫియర్ని కూల్ చేస్తుంది. వాట్ వీఆర్ డూయింగ్ నౌ? వీఆర్ కట్టింగ్ ద ట్రీస్ని కట్ చేస్తున్నాం. ద వాటర్ వేపర్ ఈస్ నాట్ రిలీజింగ్ ఇన్ టు ద అట్మాస్ఫియర్ అండ్ ఆల్సో we are not getting enough oxygen. We are not getting enough fresh air. మనకి మంచి ఫ్రెష్ ఎయిర్ కూడా మనకు దొరికేటప్పుడు అవునా? Like that, the water vapor is not releasing into the atmosphere. Atmosphere lo water vapor లేదు ఇక్కడ. Which is the substance, which is the gas To cool the atmosphere is not getting from the trace. ఏదైతే అట్మాస్ఫియర్ కూల్ చేస్తుందో ఆ కూల్ చేసే ఐటమ్ అక్కడ లేదు అక్కడ, బికాస్ ఆఫ్ కటింగ్ ట్రేస్. కటింగ్ ట్రేస్ని ఎక్కువ కట్ చేస్తున్నాం కదరా, అందుకోసమని అక్కడ వాటర్ అక్కడ లేదు. Now atmosphere is not cooling. Atmosphere is not cooling, like the earth also not cooling. Okay, like that due to the humans, the global warming is increased. ఇంక్రీజ్ అయిపోతుంది. అలా ఇంక్రీజ్ అయితే ఏమవుతుంది చెప్పండి, వేడికి 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 ఏమవుతుంది, హీట్ అయి హీట్ అయి హీట్ అయి బ్లాస్ట్ అయిపోతుంది. వన్ ఆఫ్ ద డే అవర్ ఎర్త్ మే బ్లాస్ట్ బికాస్ ఇట్ ఈస్ ఓవర్ హీటింగ్. ఎక్కువ హీట్ అవుతుంది. తెలుసు కదా మనకు సమ్మర్, యాక్చువల్ సమ్మర్ ఎప్పుడు, సమ్మర్ జూన్ వరకు ఎండ్ అయిపోవాలి. జూన్ వరకు మనకు సమ్మర్ సీజన్ కంప్లీట్ అయిపోవాలి. మనకు జూలై ఆగస్టులో కూడా మనకు చాలా వేడిగా ఉంటుంది డ్యూ టు గ్లోబల్ వార్మింగ్. డ్యూ టు గ్లోబల్ వార్మింగ్. ఇంకేం తెలుసా, ఎక్కువ వేడెక్కితే ఏం జరుగుతుందో తెలుసారా, మీకు ఫ్లడ్స్, ఎక్కువ వర్షాలు వస్తాయి. ఓవర్ హీట్, బాగా ఓవర్ హీట్ అవుతుంది, వాటర్ వేపర్ ఫామ్ అవుతుంది. వాటర్ వేపర్ ఫామ్ అవుతుంది, వర్షాలు బాగా పడతాయి. వర్షాలు బాగా పడ్డాయంటే ఫ్లడ్స్, ఫ్లడ్స్, డ్రౌట్స్. అయితే బాగా వర్షాలు ఉంటాయి, లేదంటే no rains means droughts. Like that, the different events may occur because of the global warming. Earthquakes, floods, cyclones, droughts, these are the events may occur due to the global warming. Who is the reason for that? They are only the reason. Humans are the reason because of cutting trees. Observe the given pictures and describe the changes with 3 suitable terms. You must see what are these and understand this. Okay, this is your work. Today's class is completed. Bye.